Hello, I am back. Welcome to the Married Mother channel. For those who are tuning in to the first time, don't forget to subscribe. For those who are returning, I will be doing a tutorial on how to download uncopyrighted music from YouTube to your iPhone. I have the iPhone 7 Plus. Now, before I do start the tutorial, I do want to tell you that sometimes, even though it's uncopyrighted music, you may have to give credit to the owner of that song or video, whatever musical content you're downloading. So you do want to make sure you're looking in the comment section to see if that's something you do have to do. So again, I'll be using the iPhone 7 Plus because that's the phone I have. I'll be doing 2 tutorials in this video. One where I'll be verbally walking you through it, and then the other one I'll just have my music that I downloaded, and I'll just have exactly how to do it just with the instructions showing up on the screen. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is download documents. I'll be using my stylus and my finger, but you want to download documents. If you haven't already, if you don't have it already on your phone, you just go to your app store, type in document 6, which is right here. I already have it downloaded. It's Documents by Riddle. We're going to go ahead and open it. At the very top, you can just clear this out. It'll be blank for you, but you just want to type in YouTube. And then right here in the search bar for YouTube, you want to open that. And I just usually type in uncopyrighted music. Okay, and you can pick any one you want, but I always go to Audio Library. And they have a wide range of selections. Just click on videos, and it'll usually say like no copyrighted music. Now you do want to make sure you don't have to give like credit to the owner of the song. So let's just choose Summer Spliffs right here. Let's go and see if they have any comments. Okay, let's pause it. Okay, so once you do that, let's see. Right where it says M dot, you have to type in SS. So I'm just going to use my finger to get to that spot. Okay, so I have my dot. I have it right after the dot, M period rather, and we're going to type in SS. And then we're going to click go. Okay, so from there, you're going to click on download. Okay, and you're going to click save up here. And after you do this a while, it'll get a little bit easier. Okay. So it's done. It's downloading and saving it. So you can go ahead and click on this blue folder right here. And then you're going to click on downloads. And I think this is the one we downloaded right here. Yep. So we're going to open it. Click on the do dots. Wait, let's pause it first. Okay, ooh, that was loud. So we're going to click on the blue dots, and we're going to click on move to, and we're going to save it to our camera roll. So just to check to make sure it downloaded successfully, click out of it, go to your photos, and you'll see it right here. And there you have it. Okay, what I like to do, just so it's not showing up everywhere, I go ahead and select this, and I want to move it to, I want to add it to my YouTube music video. And I just go in and check and make sure it's there. Let's see. And there it goes. And you can see I have several saved already. All right. And that is the tutorial. Now I'll just do it where I just walk it through really quickly.
And there you have it. It is downloaded.
So I hope that was very informative for you all. I don't mind doing any type of other tutorial type videos when it comes to YouTube because I am new at this as well. A lot of the stuff I do learn, I end up just Googling it myself or asking my daughter who has a YouTube channel, who's way far advanced in this YouTube business than I am. But I don't mind sharing with you all. Like if you all would like me to do a vlog on how I edit my videos and upload my videos because I use iMovies, like how to take this content that I just downloaded, like the uncopyrighted music, how do I add it to iMovies and my videos. I don't mind doing a video or a vlog about that, but you do have to let me know in the comments so I'll know that that is something you are interested in seeing. That is it for today's vlog. Again, if this was very helpful, give it a thumbs up. Do share, like, and for those who have not subscribed, do subscribe. And again, thanks for watching A Married Mother, and you guys have a great Sunday. Today is Sunday. All right, goodbye.